can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele hold in the cold.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back from the store. If y'all can see everything we got, you'll think we spent a lot. But I think I spent maybe 300 from first store. Maybe not even 300, maybe 200 at the most. But I'm about to go ahead and, baby. I think yesterday we left off, I went to the fashion show, so I'm going to put those clips. I'm gonna insert the clips, but yeah, let's organize. So honestly, I think I'm gonna throw these away. Protein bars. I have a lot of them. So y'all know them protein bars. Listen. I have sensitive teeth right now, and I can't eat them. And I have so many of them. So, either I'm gonna throw them away or he's gonna take them, but I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this or just play some music and show you how I organize my groceries in my kitchen for the 50th thousandth time. And I might show y'all me cooking this dinner. I am cooking, I can't tell y'all yet, but y'all gonna see. But it's something to do with chicken Alfredo. And yeah, I went to Trader Joe's and I got a lot of, no I didn't. Trader Joe's I got a lot of roses, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do my floral arrangement, because I like to do mine a special way. So we're gonna do that. In my mind, I forgot so much stuff, but it's okay because I'm gonna make do with what I got, and what I don't got, I'll just get next week. But yeah, Food Line got chicken breast for $5. And while I'm organizing, I'm gonna cook because we literally haven't ate. And I'm sorry.
Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make on Trisha like the Pope. Work the bunch like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't wanna rap, be quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. That's the niggas that you trust, you gotta probably turn fade. Hey, you know your boy, cause you rockin' Hermes. Especially if your money long, guarantee a turn. Ray, I tell
This is for a vlog, y'all. She's supposed to be doing my motherfucking hair.
I will be done in 30 minutes so he can get his hair done. No, I will be done in 15 minutes so he can get his hair done. I just gotta put these snacks in the drawer, the thing, and I gotta meal prep, but that's it. After that, y'all, I'm done. He's patiently been waiting. He was working on business stuff, so don't let this nigga fool y'all. But, y'all know how I do when I do what I do. He don't know. But as y'all saw, I already put the drinks and stuff up. Now I'm doing the snacks. Y'all, I was gonna throw those protein bars away, but he liked them. So I'm gonna keep them, but I'm gonna go ahead and restock this. Papa, can you come here? Can they see this?
What?
This.
Kinda. Yeah.
So y'all know I had to go to Ollie's because Ollie's is my store. She let me have all the bars. So we got the salt and chewy nut. Y'all know how I do. Ain't nothing changed. Ain't nothing changed. I still gotta get fruit. I forgot. And I just need to get blueberries for real. So I gotta go back out anyway. But I gotta do my Papa's hair, which he could be using the sink to wash. So this is full. And then I got some new things I want to try. Chocolate banana Nutri-Grain bars. If y'all could just see what goes on behind camera, it's just, I'm gonna do it behind the scenes. So I got these. I'll probably have him taste them first, cause you like banana?
What you got?
Chocolate banana bites.
No.
Oh, he don't eat chocolate. He don't eat chocolate, y'all. I got these. These are my favorite. A lot of snacks I get are like grab and go because my dumb ass. Hey, my dumb ass. I'm trying to figure out why my man's so fine, but I'm trying to figure out why my milk wasn't boiling the whole time the shit wasn't even on.
Whoa.
That's drugs, y'all. I gotta stay away from them shits.
She not on drugs. She's sober as hell. I think. I don't want this.
What you telling people?
Huh?
Words are never perfect. Even when you're a fluent speaker.
I'll introduce y'all to him later.
Don't be afraid to get creative. Use the words you do know, right?
Yeah, when I cook this dinner, you ever heard that song? Put it on and make them wanna marry me. Put it on and make it. I want y'all to see what this. I want y'all to see what this man is doing behind this camera. All right, y'all. So I found these little mini ones. They are super cute. They would be like, when I just want like a little snack. So I have to record on my cell phone because my other phone went dead. So right now I'm about to go ahead and do my flower bouquet. Papa went to the store, so I was gonna show y'all. He didn't get started with bands, so I was gonna show y'all what we got going on in the freezer. Food Line had chicken breasts. on sale for $5.19, so I stocked up on those. Got some chicken wings. Over here we got the spinach and the broccoli, the kale, my face mask because we are doing self-care Sunday today, Papa's water, and then in the refrigerator it's getting kind of clean. So we have basically our fruit. These are our overnight oats. Those are my fruit bowls. Then we have our eggs, the chicken that I'm cooking tonight, which I'm gonna fill this area up, and then our juices. So you have orange juice, apple juice, V8 and water, and then you have the coffee, the milk, and the over of cranberry juice. And then here I have my chobani and my yogurt. And then here we just have our peppers. And then nothing on this side was added except for the non-dairy oat creamer, which I'll be adding to my matcha. And then we'll go up here. Excuse my water. Open this up. We're all decked out. So what I bought was 2 packs of Thomas cinnamon raisin, some Ritz bites. Behind here is my bars that I showed y'all. My other bites, my red potatoes, my peanuts. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna hop over to Instagram and do my flowers.
Anything I said, I stamp on it.